Hey, welcome back to Jazz Time. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, and trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so you can easily choose the best watch for yourself in the comfort of your own home. We offer the lowest prices anywhere online, and if you'd like to know the price, simply click on the links in the description below. We greatly appreciate if you purchase your next watch from us at JazzTime.com. Today we're going to be looking at a 34mm frosted white gold Selfwinding Royal Oak with the light blue index dial. Model reference number for this watch is 77353BC.1263BC.01. Retail price on this watch for 2022 is $60,300 US. I'll be going over all the aspects of this watch: case, bezel, dial, crown functions, as well as the movement and the bracelet, and I'll give some of my thoughts on the watch throughout the review. Now, the Royal Oak is a 34mm watch from my thumb to my pointer finger. That's the case size. It's actually a small size watch for men. It's a large watch for women. Audemars measures their watch bezels, and this 34mm watch is more like the size of a 36mm Rolex, like a Datejust. The 18-karat white gold case has a special hammered finish on the front of the case, along with the outward-facing bracelet. Looks like it took a lot of work to hammer out this finish evenly. I don't know exactly how they produce this finish, but it's pretty and it looks frosted. The sides of the case have a brushed finish. The case is rated to about 50 meters or 164 feet of water resistance, so it's okay for you to go swimming with this watch on your wrist. It's going to hold up just fine. You're probably not going to go diving with this watch though. Let's try this watch on for size, just for reference on what it looks like on the wrist. Now, this is typically a lady's watch. It would be worn by a lady, but it actually sized out. It has enough links for it to fit on my wrist just fine, and it looks like it fits. Now, keep in mind this is almost the same size as a Rolex Datejust 36mm, so, and that's actually a full-size unisex watch for men and women. So this watch actually does fit my wrist. Now, I actually prefer a medium-sized watch because my wrist is just under 7 inches, so I really need to be wearing a 37mm watch, AP. The bezel on this watch is made of frosted 18-karat white gold. It's a really pretty finish. You can see the sides of the bezel are a high polish mirror finish, just for a nice contrast. And this bezel is secured down by 8 white gold hexagonal screws. You can see them at the corners. That's AP's Audemars Piguet's trademark look. Anybody who looks at this watch who's a watch enthusiast is going to be able to recognize this watch just fine. Going to the dial, we're looking at this light blue colored Grand Tapisserie dial with luminescent index hour markers and hour and minute hands. The dial matches the overall frosted white gold theme, and it's easy to read. You can even read this in low light conditions as it has a luminescence on the dial. Really pretty dial. You can see the date here at the 3 o'clock position, where there's no hour marker. Kind of wish they had something there, but it's not a deal breaker. The background on the date window is light blue, so it blends in with the dial easily. Crown here at the 3 o'clock position can be worn in its first position, closest to the case. 10 to 15 winds should actually do the trick. Should get this watch moving, no problem. Second position out, it's going to be able to change the date. This date setting. There you go. You can see it cycle through the date wheel on 22nd, 23rd, 24th. Third position now, it's going to be able to adjust the hour and minute hands. Once you have your hands set, you just pop down the crown and your watch is set. On the movement that runs this beautiful watch is a caliber 5800. It has the hour, minute, date, and center seconds function. The power reserve on this movement is about 50 hours, so you can set this watch down for a couple of days, pick it back up, it's still going to be keeping time. Because it's self-winding, it keeps the watch wound while it's on your wrist. Let's turn it over and see what that movement looks like. It's got an exhibition case back, so you can see the movement clearly on there. I mean that this the oscillator takes up about 2/3 of the movement here, so you can't really see much under the movement. So let me flip it over, you can see the other side. Beautifully worked. While we're looking at the back, you can also see the white gold hallmarks for 18 karat gold. Now going on to the bracelet that holds this watch, we're looking at this beautiful 18 karat frosted white gold bracelet. There's a frosted or hammered finish on the top of the links, and a satin finish on the sides. There shouldn't be any stretching on this bracelet. It's pretty robust. There's a fold over double deployment here that opens and closes the bracelet, like so. Folds are over one way, and the AP clasp goes over a second. Beautiful. This watch looks like it's frosted with ice. It's not too flashy, but it's not too far from the likes of an iced out watch either. Iced out meaning that they put diamonds all over the links. Now this 18 karat white gold frosted Royal Oak is an absolutely beautiful watch. Light blue grand tapestry dial is really unique. You don't see this color much with Audemars Piguet. The way the light hits this watch makes it look frosted rather than iced out. So if you want to bling out a little bit but not too over, then this would be your watch. I think the finish would probably hide the minor scratches that come along with wearing a watch. Scratches would show up clearly if it was a brushed finish, so I like that about this watch. It's going to hide blemishes. I would probably be leaning towards the larger size myself, like a 37mm or 41mm for myself. This might be a better fit for a lady. Now, if you want to know where to get this watch, we have it out on our website at jazztime.com. Model reference number again is 77353BC.GG.1263BC.01. This is the 34mm 18 karat gold, frosted white gold Royal Oak with a light blue grand tapestry dial. Again, we're an online store, so you can visit us in the comfort of your own home. Go to jazztime.com, and thank you for watching.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to Model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model, and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.